Oh, we're back. We got ourselves a little package action. This is kind of well, let's see what happens here. Free shout out to radutvparts.com. 3 months free. Oh, don't you scan my 3 months for free, you little dirty devils. All right, here's the thing. Got some harnesses. If you know anything about Honda, Honda does Honda stuff. They don't consult with me. So what these are the new shoulder bolt, and I'll show you why and what. So this brand, whatever, comes with hardware, which I checked it. It fits, it threads in, but no shoulder. It's just a straight thread, and that would work, no big deal. But me being me, this is the hardware that came out of the original machine, and you can see it's got the, obviously these nuts I added those, but it's got the shoulder there. It allows for the seatbelt to rotate with, they've got like 2 washers and a rubber washing in there to make it nice. Look at this thing. Does that fit my machine? Like, I didn't even know I was getting that. Don't need it. Already bought one. Thank you. All right, here's the moment of truth. Two truths. Because I know that. Does this thread on? So the threads are correct. That is the first moment of truth. The second moment of truth is this came off the harness I'm using because I'm going around the... Oh yeah, look at that. So see what happens? Your seatbelt can... Now if you just use these, which I got my first harness just temporarily in. I just threw one of these in real quick. Well, that goes up against the... It goes up against the equivalent of that. Because Honda is like, oh, we want to make our shoulder bigger. See that? No soup for you. No soup. No soup for you. Soup. Let's check this out. Oh, wow. Look at that. That's stainless steel, kids. Holy cow. That's the kind of quality I'm looking for. So, dee-ba-da-ba-dee-ba-doo. This is the harness system. Here's the bolts that came with it. And I'm sure those are fine. I think they're grade 8s. 8.8, 7/16. So yeah, they're good bolts. But without the shoulder, I don't know. For some reason, I feel like if Honda put a shoulder on there, when I put my harnesses in, I'm putting a shoulder on there. I'm not going to get into these harnesses too much just because... Well, I'll tell you the story. The fucking company that sent me these sent me open box. I checked them over thoroughly. Just someone opened them and returned them. I don't know why they returned them, but they did. They look the exact same as the other one, so I bitched, and I got a discount, as it should be. So you can see this is the equivalent. That'll just go around the roll cage bar. No big deal. So yeah, this thing, I actually, man, could I possibly find that on camera while I'm filming? I'm pretty sure when I ordered the one I got, it was like the same price for 2, so I ordered 2 of them. Shit's just flying everywhere. Now, how disappointed am I going to be if I just got... This is a seatbelt override. Just digging through shit. I have no idea. So I got a Honda one. Do I have a spare? Let's take you over here. Let me see what the harness looks like installed. I think it looks pretty good. The thing I like about it, obviously the price is not bad, but you got the silver buckles and the black and the blue, and I got the the silver. I can't see them over there. My springs are silver, and like my decals, silver. See my springs, my coils? This particular model has silver coils, so the motif of this is multiple shades of blue, black, and silver. That's the color scheme of this vehicle. So having a little accent of silver in there, like kind of. Also for this year's a 24, they put solid black seats in them. They didn't put the two-tone seats in, which I'm okay with. Like, I would have preferred to have a black Honda Talon. They made one, but it didn't have live valves, so I wouldn't mind that. Or a red and black Honda Talon. Well, they had the front clip that was white. It's like, well, I'm not going to buy a whole new front clip. And it's just like, I guess I got a blue Honda Talon. But, like, I didn't want to go blue hard accessories. Like, I don't want blue roll cages and blue. I mean, I got a blue bumper because I think the blue bumper looked better than the black bumper. But I think that's a little bit of blue on the harnesses is really about what I needed to make the inside kind of pop a little bit. So, do a little wiring right now. Disregard all that. So yeah, that's pretty rad. Stainless, I think it was like $3 a bolt or something. If you're 3 months trial. Huh. 3 months of off-road X, huh? That's interesting. I might try that because I got that GPS. Is that the style? Is that the Honda style there? I don't think. Oh my God, it is. Goddamn thing came with a seat override. There's $10 I wasted. I think I paid $10 for those. That's like crazy. That's crazy. Well, if you got a Honda, you want to buy one of these. I got one for sale. I have two for sale, I think. Jeez. All right. There's 7 minutes in your life you're not getting back. But yeah, stainless steel. That'll be a nice upgrade. You know, that's nicer than what they give you from the factory. These aren't stainless. That's just regular garbage. So, should be good. We'll see about the harnesses. You're supposed to replace them every few years, so we'll see what happens. I could always put my old ones back in. Regular seat belts if these are too much to deal with. But, yeah, there you go. Fancy-ass stainless steel bolts. Stay safe.